Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of ancient technology and showing you how to build your very own stone work machine, inspired by the ancient Khrad machine from Taxila. This machine was used centuries ago to shape and cut stone with precision. And today we're bringing that ancient ingenuity into the 21st century. So, let's get started. First off, you're going to need some basic materials: a sturdy metal frame, a diamond-tipped circular saw blade, and a reliable motor. You can find these at your local hardware store or online. Now the first step is to assemble the frame. This will serve as the base of our machine and needs to be strong enough to handle heavy stones. Make sure all the joints are securely welded or bolted together. This isn't just about making it sturdy, it's about making it safe. Next up, let's talk about the heart of our machine, the saw blade. Attach the circular saw blade to the motor. Ensure that the blade is perfectly aligned with the motor for smooth operation. Remember, precision is key to replicate the fine workmanship of the Khrad machine. Now, we need to connect the motor to a power source. I recommend using a variable speed motor so you can control the speed of the blade depending on the type of stone you're working with. Safety first though. Make sure all electrical connections are secure and that you're using a proper circuit breaker to prevent any mishaps. Once everything is assembled, it's time to test our machine. Start with a softer stone like sandstone. Place it securely on the work table and gently push it towards the blade. Watch as the blade effortlessly cuts through the stone, just like the ancient craftsman had seen. And there you have it, your very own stone work machine, ready to tackle any stone crafting project you throw at it. Whether you're sculpting a small statue or carving intricate designs into stone slabs, this machine will let you do it with ease and precision, just like the ancient masters. Remember, the key to success with any DIY project is patience and persistence. Don't rush the process. Enjoy the journey of creating something incredible with your own hands. I can't wait to see what amazing projects you all come up with using this ancient-inspired technology. So get out there, get crafting, and most importantly,